welcome to my channel. So my nails are looking a little rough because the day before I did a set and I didn't really like how it turned out. So I just kept the same nails on but just filed off the design. And here I'm starting with this Beetles light pink and I'm putting that on my thumb. Then I'm going in with the black on my pointer finger and again the light pink on the middle and red on the ring finger and the pinky. And this is all Beetles gel glue. I'll have everything linked down below and it'll be from my Amazon storefront. I do 2 coats of each nail, and then to start the design I end up going in with the matte top coat, also for Beetles, so that the design is a lot smoother and easier to work on once it's matte top coated. Okay, so I thought I was going to go with the heart first, thinking it was going to be the easiest design to do, and I ended up finding a different way to do design with the daughter tool, but I ended up just starting the scream. So the scream is actually super easy to do. Ghostface, I'm sorry. You basically just do like an ice cream cone. So the top is kind of like a lumpy triangle, like imagine an ice cream cone, and then the bottom you're just going to do the same thing but like an oval. So it's obviously not as thick, and that is so easy. Just use a dotting tool and it's so freaking easy. And to do the eyes, you're gonna do kind of like little backwards C for the left eye, and then the other one is kind of like, they're just like little curves. It's just really easy, just like little eyes. I'm just watching, or I'm looking at a picture. The nose is going to be a little tiny triangle, and then the mouth is basically just like a ghost mouth, and that again is super easy to do with the dotting tool. Next, I'm moving to blood drops. Again, this one's super easy with the dotting tool, and I'm just gonna let y'all watch this play out. But yeah, honestly, just watching other people's videos and just looking at a picture always helps, but it's a lot easier than you may think, and practice makes perfect. Going back in with the heart design, oh my goodness, y'all. This was such an annoying design. I definitely want to practice doing hearts more. And yeah, it was just hard. So this whole heart is going to be a devil heart, a heart with horns essentially, and a little tail. So here I am drawing the little tail. And black, it was really hard to show up for some reason, even though like black over red. So I ended up going later over all of this with a bright pink, but you'll see that later. But yeah, I'm just kind of getting the initial design started. So on my pinky finger, I'm going in with a web design. And again, the black really was not showing up, so I ended up switching to a white. And I think the white ended up looking much better, and it was so much easier to do for some reason. So here I am just doing the web, and again, just looking at a reference picture. But to do an easy web, you just do a cross, and then you do kind of like a star in the middle, and then you just start doing the web on the outsides, and then connecting it, and then basically just continuing that pattern. And here I am, like I said, outlining everything in the hot pink, and then I end up filling it in and doing some white highlights as well to kind of make everything look cartoonish. Then I'm adding some little rhinestones to the nails just to add a little something extra, and that just really made everything come together. I hope y'all really enjoyed this set. Please let me know in the comments what you think of it, and if you want to see any other Halloween designs. I did film already one other Halloween design, but I'm definitely open to more. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
So, you got a boyfriend?
Why? You want to ask me out on a date?
Maybe. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
You never told me your name.
Why do you want to know my name?
I want to know who I'm looking at. So, you got a boyfriend?
Why? You want to ask me out on a date?
Maybe. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
You never told me your name.
Why do you want to know my name?